Be riding Sawmill Trailhead, which we're going to take to the Mud Springs Trail, which connects to the wash, right up the wash to the campground, back to the campground, down here to Sawmill Trailhead.
You.
Well, that's a pretty fun downhill. 150 heart rate. Now we're at the wash, so pretty good climb out, but pretty easy to do on an e-bike. As you can see, now it's a pretty soft wash, but wouldn't want to do this on a regular bike. But on an e-bike, not too bad. Just got to keep your rhythm going. And when you get to the top of the camping ground, and then back down to Sawmill. There are some pretty cool views in here. kind of scenic. And I guess you could argue it's kind of ugly because a bunch of dead trees, but kind of neat. Now coming up out of the wash, a little steep downhill here. Kind of loose. Phew. The trail is in very good shape though. Someone said that they've been having races up here. So you can tell it's all raked out really well. So pretty neat. Whoa, hard on the brakes. Tight right, tighty righty. Super flowy though, I have to say that. I've only been on it a couple times, but I like it. Of course, the e-bike makes quick work of all this. All right, now back up to the campground. So back on the Jeep trail that leads up to the campground. It's a few miles. Anyone who says you don't get a workout on the e-bike, 146 beats per minute right now. So, you know, I love it. Ooh. Yeah, boy. Woo. Ooh, hard on the brakes. So much fun. Choppy. Woo. Take the high line. Phew. Yeah, boy. So now we're leaving Sawmill. We're going to go a little bit east, pick up a Blue Tree trail. It's a downhill through the canyon a little bit, and then ride back up to the road again, and then cross over, and then come back campground Jeep trails. Now we're dropping in at Blue Tree. It's kind of fun, little downhill. Single track / wash. Yeah. It's always a tough corner there. Kind of tricky, old car there, because you're kind of riding the wash, and it can be a little bit easy to lose the trail. So just got to pay attention. If you're going too fast, you might miss it, have to backtrack a bit. Ouch. Got attacked by a tree. A little bit tight in here. Not too bad. A little bit of a steep climb here, and it drops into a pretty loose downhill. Ooh. Kind of loose here, so easy. Don't want to get too much speed going, not for me anyway. I'm gonna lose the front end. All right, just like that, we're through. As you can see, you say you're crossing over the wash quite a bit. Just gotta kind of pay attention. I mean, it's definitely different. Tired of doing tin can all the time. Not too many places to ride up in Mount Charleston in the summertime. So, gotta make the best of it. All right. across the wash again. All right. So now we're at the bottom, Blue Tree Trail. You can go to the right here, which is, what's it called again? Deer Creek Catch Can. It's a couple miles that goes over rolling hills and stuff. I think it dead ends. You can go left here. It's gonna take you up that mountain right there. It's kind of steep. On a regular bike, you're probably not gonna make it up. On an e-bike, I made it up once. Last time it was pretty loose, didn't make it. So we'll find out. All right, I'm gonna see if I can make it up this steep hill back to the road. Last time I didn't make it. Some horses have been on this trail in some parts, so it's kind of loose, but let's see. I'm gonna just try to keep my speed up. It's all about keeping momentum going. Because the minute you stop, it's no good. Right here. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ah. It's a no-go. Hey, this is where you end up. Just came up out of that canyon there. It's where this old little road is off to the side. A few miles east of Sawmill. Then we're gonna go down here to the campground, pick up a Jeep trail, which will turn into a little bit of single track. It's not too far down. As you can see, it's right over there. Right. What a beautiful day. 71 degrees out. Really couldn't ask for anything nicer than this. And you follow the road left up here. That's pretty cool. And keep going. Curves around to the right here. Now, if you're doing these trails out here on a regular bike, you're obviously going to struggle quite a bit more. All right, now left here a little bit, I think. And, oh yeah. Drop into the right here. Ew. Follow the signs for the Blue Trail. So now we're at Sawmill Trailhead. Make a left here. It's gonna wind right up back around, take you up to Sawmill Campground, and then it'll be a wrap. So far we've done 2,200 feet of climbing, 14.4 miles. Back on some single trail, much better. Kind of soft. Yeah. Pretty soft dirt. And just like that, we are back at Sawmill. Total of 15.6 miles, 2,459 feet of climbing, currently 64 degrees outside. And yeah, what an amazing day. Well, that's about it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video. Peace.